In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable background sync in Microsoft Edge step by step, so websites can finish syncing data even after you close them. This is a useful setting if you use web apps, online tools, or sites that need to keep working in the background for a smoother experience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main settings panel. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the full Edge settings page, where you can manage privacy, security, permissions, and other browser options. Next, on the left-hand side, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's privacy and website-related behavior, so this is where we need to go to find the background sync option. After that, scroll down until you see Site Permissions. Click on Site Permissions to open the list of permissions that websites can use inside Edge. Now, inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This area contains all the specific controls for website features and access settings. Click All Permissions to continue. Once you're inside the full permissions list, scroll until you find Background Sync. This is the setting that allows websites to continue syncing information in the background even when you're no longer actively using the page. When you find it, click on Background Sync to open its settings. Now you'll see the toggle for background sync. Simply switch it on to enable the feature. Once it's turned on, Microsoft Edge will allow supported websites to sync background data when needed. And that's it. Background sync is now enabled in Edge. If you ever want to turn it off later, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Edge tutorials, browser tips, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.